Hello everyone, my name is Wai Pratama. I'm student Dharma Analas University. So now I'm at the NURZIKRILLAH MOSQUE. NURZIKRILLAH MOSQUE is one of the tourist destination from Padang City. It's one of the tourist religion destination from Padang City. In front of you, there is Al-Quran monument. The more explanation, please follow me. In front of the NURZIKRILLAH MOSQUE, you will see a very beautiful Quran monument. This monument is the same as the Al-Quran monument city of Mecca, only it's smaller size. There are 3 gates to enter this mosque. The first gate for pilgrims of the Hajj ritual, the second for owner of this place, and the third for the tourists. Friends of the owner of this place are Haji Nurli Zakir Datwa Bungsu and Haji Asmarida. This mosque was built in 2000 on the Sungai Lareh Lubuk Minturun. This place is a miniature city of Mecca. When we are at the NURZIKRILLAH MOSQUE, we will feel like the desert condition of the city of Mecca. In this place, also keep very large fish. There are 3 fish at the time I see, and the fish is said from the Amazon River. For friends who want to see it directly, visit this place. In this mosque, there is a miniature Kaaba where miniature are used for pilgrim of the Hajj ritual. Not only that, this place is also suitable for family vacation where many rides can be played by children, such as ATV, canoes, and others. Here, we will also see the Mina Tunnel. Hajj pilgrims usually visit the Mina Tunnel at 8 Zulhijjah or before staying in Arafah. Here, we will also see the hills of Safa and Marwa, Jabal Ar-Rahman, and the most memorable for me was climbing and reaching the top of this location, because I could see the beautiful scenery and beauty of the NURZIKRILLAH MOSQUE. Whoa! Wow! Well, at this place, you can see the beautiful scenery. You can take the beautiful picture at this place. Here, our tour today. I hope you're happy and enjoy at this place. Well, everyone, visit Indonesia, visit West Sumatra. Don't forget, visit Padang City, NURZIKRILLAH MOSQUE.